Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Channa Pulao. It's a very simple, quick and easy recipe. Let's get started. In a deep pan I will take 1 cup of cooking oil. We're going to heat it up and then we will add 1 large diced onion. We are going to cook this onion until they are light brown. When the onion starts turning light brown, we are going to add 2 dried bay leaf and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We're going to mix everything together. Cook it for like about 1 minute or until you can smell the aroma of garlic. After a minute, we're going to add 2 black cardamoms, 6 to 8 black peppers and 4 to 6 cloves. And then a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. We're going to add everything in the pan and then mix everything together. After mixing all the spices, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water and mix everything together. This step helps mixing all the ingredients together and stops the onion from further frying. Now I will be adding one of the main ingredients of this dish, which is chickpeas. I've added 1.5 cup of chickpeas. They were already boiled. I used the canned ones. But cook chickpeas for about 1 to 2 minutes or until you can see everything is well coated with chickpeas. Now I'm adding 2 glasses of water. We are gonna mix everything together. Now I will be adding 1 whole chicken cube. You can also skip this step if you don't want to add the chicken cube. We're going to mix everything together. Here I have 2.5 cup of rice. I soaked them like 30 minutes ago and now I'm rinsing them. You rinse them 2 to 3 times before cooking them. At this boiling point, we are going to add pre-soaked rice. We are going to mix everything together and let it cook until the water minimizes. Let's prepare the cover. You will need a kitchen cloth and the lid. We are going to wrap the lid with kitchen cloth like shown, and then we are going to cover the rice with this lid. At this stage, when you barely see any water, you are going to cover the pan with the lid I showed you, and we are going to lower the flame to minimum and cover it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to remove the lid to see if the rice are ready and the pulao is ready. We're going to mix to make sure it's not burnt or everything is fully cooked. And yes, it's cooked. Thank you so much you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.